Welcome to the show how to hide application into your Realme 9 Pro Plus. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into privacy option. Here choose hide application, and now need to enter your privacy password. If you don't set up this privacy password, need first of all set up this. Okay, now we got our hide apps menu, so here from the list choose your application what you wanna hide. Okay, maybe it's Facebook will be. Okay, need to enter your access code on the DL pad to access hidden apps. Okay, tap settings first, enter your access code, maybe like this, and now for saving this access code, need tap OK button on the top right corner and tap done. And now continue hide application, maybe Drive, for example, and LinkedIn. Okay. Now go to our home screen. Here we don't have this application in the list. And now from entering to our hide folder, need open our deal part and enter our secret code. And here we got our hidden apps. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.